Future homeowners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So for today's vlog, we will going to feature another subdivision. But for this time around, it offers lot only dito sa exclusive subdivision sa San Fernando. I'm here with Sir Alvin. So, ayun, sir, dito sa lot na to, saan ba to strategically located, sir?
Bridgepoint Place is located at De Rosario, San Fernando, Pampanga. So, one of the heart of San Fernando.
Yes. And I believe dito sa sir, sa specific location niya, it's in Del Rosario, right?
Yeah.
But before that, we would love to acknowledge kung sino ba yung developer natin. Sirs, can you please tell something about or background ng company or ni developer?
Okay po. Bridgepoint Place is developed by P.A. Alvarez Property Ventures. Developers start at August 1994. So we have 30 years in real estate industry na po. And then we have a lot of projects na rin po here in Luzon. We start at Laguna, Cavite, Batangas. And then in Northern Luzon, we have Bulacan and Pampanga here at Bridgepoint.
With that success stories and yun nga, you've mentioned different location ng developer, no?
Yes.
That's why they came up with a new development, no?
Yeah.
Dito sa Bridgepoint Place 2B. Yan, di ba?
Yes.
So, ayun sir, with that, nandito tayo ngayon sa mismong site, no? Yun nga, there will be future developments are ongoing here, di ba sir?
Yes.
So, such as dito sa may likod lang natin, no, the government offices. And
Yes po.
ano yung government offices natin, sir, dito?
The government offices here at Bridgepoint, meron po tayong LTO, and then City College, mga schools po, and then DepEd compound, hospitals, and then soon to rise po yung ating People's City of San Fernando Hospital, which cater po yung mga exclusive po for San Fernando people lang po. And then this year po siya matatayo.
Wow. With the progressive development that's coming here or ongoing here, diba? So, it's very right timing to position yourself to invest your lot dito. So, let's begin with the site development plan. So, ito yung site development plan, no, sir?
Yes po.
So, with this one, how many hectares do we have here, sir?
The total hectares po is around 5 hectares
Po siya. Yes po.
Around 5 hectares. And I believe dito, let's highlight this portion, no?
Yes.
Actually, nandito tayo ngayon. Banda dito, no? Yan,
Yes
banda
po.
dito.
Yes.
Yan. So, we're in etong mga yellow portion na to are the commercial lot.
Yes
no,
po.
Sir?
Yes po.
Ayun. So, they could build their mga small
Shop
or
houses.
medium businesses, no? Mga
Yes
shop
po.
houses, diba? Tapos, it's a mixed
Mixed
of
development.
na
Yes
meron
po.
din tayong mga house and lot package
Yes
na
po.
ino-offer.
Yes po.
Okay. How about the model size? The regular cut size that we have here for the lot.
For the regular cut of the lot po, we have 120 square meter po. Ang ating mga regular cut dito po sa Phase 2B.
I see. So, ayan yan, no, sir. And we have some corner lots, di ba?
Yes po.
And yeah. And of course, hindi natatapos yung development or hindi nawawala yung development sa mga amenities.
Yes
What are
po.
the amenities that we have here, sir?
So, sa Phase 2B po, meron po tayong mga amenities dito like mga basketball court, syempre yung clubhouse, playground, and then dalawa po yung playground natin dito po sa sa ating phase. Since maliit lang naman po yung phase natin, hindi na po kami nag-offer ng swimming pool. Okay.
I see.
Ito po kasi yung mas mga gamit natin.
So as you can see sa map, ito yung mga open spaces niya.
Yes po, may mga
Tapos,
open spaces.
banda dun yung, ano niya, yung mga amenity area.
Yes,
So, it's not so super big
Yeah.
and it's just, it's tamang development lang, no? Dito sa subdivision. It's really an exclusive.
yes,
How
sir.
about when they want to build their house or their dream home here? What's the theme that they should follow?
Kung magpapatayo naman po sila ng mga dream houses nila dito sa Phase 2B, ang ating pong design is Asian Contemporary Design po. So yung mga bago na yon, like mga color, hindi po siya maraming color, like white, brown, and yun lang po yung mga pwede nilang gawin.
I see. Yes, sir. And of course, to the most exciting part, how much yung introductory price per square meter that we have here?
So our start price po is 20,000 per square meter po.
Oh. And not just that, we offer some discounts.
Yes po. Meron naman po tayo mga promos and discount. Once na nag-reserve po kayo, meron po tayong mga binibigay na mga promos and then mga incentives and discount.
Yes. And yun nga, how about the payment terms, sir?
Payment term for down payment po, we offer 24 months po, 10% down payment, and then the 90% po through bank financing po.
So ganun din siya ka-flexible, no?
Yes.
We have like 2 years pa for the payment ng down payment.
Yes,
so
po.
very stretch siya. And with that, they could take advantage yun, no? Yung sa ganong ka-flexible payment terms. And what are the accredited banks that we have here?
We have Bank of Commerce, BPI, and then Security Bank, China Bank Savings.
How about, sir, kailan naman yung turnover ng subdivision? Kasi as we can see, yun nga, ongoing pa yung development, no? So, kailan ba sila din pwedeng magpatayo ng kanilang dream home dito?
Actually, ang ating development completion nito is December 2028 pa. Pero for now po, this year, tatayo na po natin yung mga roads, drainage, and then yung mga lamp posts, and then yung mga electric posts. And then, after po nila mag-down payment, pwede na po nilang itayo yung mga dream home po nila. Basta't po matapos po yung kanilang mga down payment.
Tsaka, nag-loan proceeds na si bank.
Yes po,
nagbigay
basta't
ng
nag-loan proceeds.
Yes. And yun nga, with that, we'll share to you the drone shots po dito so that you could have a glimpse ng buong site development plan that we have. And for more information, feel free to message us with this number and we're more than happy to guide you. So see you around. Bye!